Mom, where are you?
I'm sorry, my dear. I'm already on my way. I'm sorry. I know you've waited for long. I'm so sorry. I'm coming.
I'm the only one left. Everyone has gone.
I'm inside the vehicle. I'm on my way already.
Okay, but please hurry.
All right. Okay, see you soon. Bye.
Hello, Morris. How you doing?
I'm doing very well, so thank you. Well, I just wanted to let you know that I'll be rescheduling the meeting with the HSD crew for 6 p.m. You know, we've already postponed it twice and we can't afford to postpone again.
What time is the meeting with the Mandral group?
Major group. Oh, that's for 2 p.m., which is approximately
2 p.m., huh?
30 minutes from now.
All right. That's what I care about. That's the big money. The Mandral group has the money.
I know, boss.
And the HSD or HDS,
HSD.
whatever, like that's small money. I care about the small money too, but let's secure the big bag.
We're all
first.
about the big bags, boss. Yes, sir.
All right, get the files from the secretary.
Oh, okay. I'll do just that. All right, I'll do that.
Thank you very much.
Okay, sir.
Audrey, please, when we get there, do exactly as I have instructed you to do. All right? You're going to act like you're the house girl. I never told him that I had a daughter. I'm going to tell him that you're the new house girl that I have brought to live with us.
Mom. So you're actually serious about this thing you've been telling me over the phone? How do you possibly expect me to be a house girl in my own mother's house? Like a house girl, Mom? This is unbelievable.
Listen to me. OT is a very wealthy businessman. He lost his wife, and then our paths crossed. We fell in love with each other. He proposed to me to marry him, and he asked me to move in with him. Please, I'm going to tell him that you're the new house girl that I brought in to stay with us. Please, my dear, I need you to do this for us. I don't want us to lose this opportunity. Please.
You do realize I'm an undergraduate, right? A 400 level university student, a house girl in her own mother's house. Mom, please.
Listen to me, Audrey. This is just for a little while. It's just for a little while. Life has presented to us a huge opportunity that we'll be happy and comfortable again. Please, don't let us lose this. Please, don't ruin it for us. I know that after we have gotten married, everything will be fine and things will come back to normal again.
So what happens when ASU calls off this strike and I eventually go back to school?
By that time, things would have calmed down. All right? I'll let him know that you're my daughter, but that's after we've already gotten married, okay? He doesn't even have a child of his own, so it wouldn't be a problem for him to accept you as his own child. But by then, your mom would have already been married. Please, my dear, don't spoil this for mommy. This is a lifetime opportunity for us. Please. Please. You know how much mommy has struggled raising you all by herself. You and I know you're my daughter, you're not my house girl, but aren't you tired of mommy struggling alone? At least let's have an easier life. Please. Of course I know that you're not my house girl, you're my child. We both know that.
Fine. I'll do it as long as it makes you happy.
Thank you. I'm sorry. Thank you.
Jack it up.
Ah, madam. Enter. Ah, senior madam. Welcome, madam. Don't do. Stop over here. Ah, madam.
How are you?
Fine.
How is everything?
Hi, madam. How do you work?
Fine. How is your guy?
We just do, madam. We just do. Okay. Open it now.
Yes, don't worry. Take the bags from the boots. All right.
Madam, I carry his bag down.
Yes, you for carry them down, of course, and bring them inside.
Bag of you. Yeah.
Let's go this way.
Yeah, man.
Oh, well, that's true. Wait, may I give you money? 10,000, ba?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, bring the bags in this way, my dear.
But I see my carry bags to come. Madam, this bag of you. Sure.
Jeez. Can you just bring the bags already and stop talking?
Okay. Wow. So I'm like, say, madam, don't go carry house girl come. But that one will be like house girl. So I'm fresh like water leaf soup. You think consign me? I just mind my own job. Hey. I'm man with you on the What you define for here?
My daughter, she entered this compound just now. I saw her with my own two eyes like this. Where is she?
Oh, guys, you misread. You dey grace? You dey mad? Wait. What can I talk, sir? You dey mad? Who tell you say you get pikin? Eh? E be like say all the evil spirits wey dey your body, they just gather dey play kalo for inside your brain this afternoon. No wahala. I dey close my eye now. Fire dey open them, make you don vanish comot for this compound. You dey hear me? Oja. Alele. Hi! Come on, yes.
Bring her begin, bring her begin.
You dey tell me? Come for here. Make God punish you. Make God punish you. Madman, crazy man. Awa bere awa biju eh. Won gbo eh. My catch you for here again. In fact, wait for me, go come back. Thunder fire you. Where's Zaga? Zuo. A goat. My catch you for here again. Say I be. Those your two crazy man like. Why see them for here again? If I don't take and no firewood. Won gbo eh. Nonsense.
Hello, dear.
Hello, beautiful.
How are you doing?
I'm good.
And how was your day? Good?
Well, it was good and stressful.
Really?
Yes, I had like a marathon of meetings.
Okay.
Back to back to back. It was relentless.
Wow.
Honestly. kept coming. I couldn't tell Morris to postpone them.
Oh no.
Because it's big bucks and
I
it's a lot of money.
know, I know. Audrey!
Huh?
Audrey!
Audrey?
I knew help. Yes.
Hi.
My lovely fiancé. This is Audrey.
Audrey, how you doing?
Fine, thank you, sir.
You say she's our new maid?
Yes, I told you that the work in the house is a lot. It's an uphill task.
Yeah.
I can't actually do everything all by myself, so that we needed to get someone from home
Yes.
to help out.
That's a very, very, very beautiful idea. I mean, I'm in support.
Oh, thank you, darling.
Yeah.
You don't want me stressing myself too
No,
much.
of course.
All right, take everything to the room, all right? Yes, to our bedroom. Yes.
So I need to go freshen up. Yeah.
I'm going to run you a bath.
No, don't stress yourself. I mean, she can run the bath.
Nope, I'm running you a bath. Come, let's go.
This is why you got her now.
No, not. Come on, I can fix you a bath. Yes. Finally.
Hey, dear.
Please don't dare me. So it's now you're remembering to call me, Abby? Even after I called you after I left school. This is when you're calling me.
I'm so sorry, my love.
Your love. I'm not your love, oh. Because if I was your love, you'd have called to check up on me to know how I'm doing at least.
You sound angry. What's up? Are you okay?
It's my mom, oh. She has started again.
What about your mom? Is she sick?
No, she's not. Can you believe she's compelling me to pretend to be her maid? Apparently, she didn't tell her fiancé that she had a child. Now I have to pretend to be a maid so that he can marry her. She even introduced me to him as the maid she brought from the village. Me, village.
That's serious. So how are you coping now?
I don't even know. I really don't know. I'm tired of this whole thing.
Okay. Well, that's okay. Just try to be careful and take very good care of yourself for me. Alright?
Okay, bye.
Alright, have a good night, love.
Be careful and take care of yourself. Is that all you have to say? Hello, Lillian. See, I will come today, but not this morning. All right, I have a few things to do in the house. I'm already ready to step up, but I have a few things to do in the house before I leave. It will be like that time, maybe 2-3 p.m. No, now see, I can't. Fine, I'll find a way to get it across to you, but let me call you back. All right? Good morning, darling.
Good morning, beautiful.
How are you?
I'm good, you?
You slept like a log last night. I'm good, though.
I was so tired and from work, I was very stressed out. I had to recover.
I know.
Yeah.
Audrey? Yes, ma'am. Come set the table for breakfast. Huh? Come set the table for breakfast.
Hello. Good morning, sir. Yeah, good morning.
Darling, are you driving through James Street?
Yes, I am actually.
You will?
Yeah.
Great. You know that my friend that has a salon at the beginning of the street, number 2 or so?
Lillian.
Lillian, yes.
Oh, yeah.
You just honk and then she'll step out and collect it. Give me 1 minute. Let me pick up the wig.
Not a problem.
Okay.
Okay, sorry, I was blocking you.
What? No.
Okay. So, I see you're very diligent and dedicated to your work. That's very respectable, did you sleep well?
Yes, I did, sir.
Yeah?
Yes, sir.
Oh, okay. Your mattress is similar to my mattress, it's very expensive, so it's almost like we slept together last night. I'm just saying the mattress, You like it, right?
Yes,
Great. But if you need any lights, I don't know if any lights is flickering or anything in your room, I can come and change this. You don't want me to anything, I can, just let me know. Thank you. You're good? Yes, all right. Sure. No. I was, I'm going to be here now. I didn't mean to keep you. Oh, okay. Audrey, please come back. Excuse me, Audrey. I forgot what I wanted to say. Sorry. We'll talk later. It just skipped my mind. Yes. Ah.
Now who call me that one now? You again? They swear for you. Do you live here?
Where's my daughter?
So, after all the baby warnings what I don't give you, you still get mine. Come back for this house again, Abi. Eh? Oh yeah. Vamos.
I won't live here till I see my daughter. I won't live here.
Wait. Yee. Ooh. So, I dey tell you to make you vanish come out for this compound. To dey do strong hair with me, Abi. You want try me, Abi? You want try me, Abi? Okay. I go tell you now, say, no be every crazy person they wear dirty clothes. Just wait for me.
Go and bring my daughter.
You see there? You wait for me now. Check. You think c'est le crazy, hein? C'est le crazy, hein? Ah, okay.
Mom,
I told. Yes. That's what I was trying to explain to you. Oh, don't worry. I will see you later tomorrow, okay? All right. Okay. No problem. Take care. Bye-bye.
how is the day, Mom?
Fine. Help me drop that stuff. And then with this one. Yeah. What are you wearing? Huh? Audrey, you can't keep wearing this. Which house girl dresses like this? You're supposed to wear either long dresses or long skirts. Yes. Listen, a house girl should normally dress in long skirts, long gowns. Not this.
Mom.
Yes.
So it's not enough that you have demeaned me into becoming your maid. You also want me to dress in rags? Come on. What is this really about? Is this about your fiancé not knowing that you have a daughter?
Darling, listen, I need you to help me. Please don't spoil this for me. In a few weeks, we will be married and everything will just come back to normal. You would have everything and anything that you want. Please.
Ever.
I have to be very, very careful. Men can never be trusted.
Leave me! I'm not seeing my daughter! You can't stop me! Leave me! I'm not seeing my daughter! You can't stop me!
My eyes will not see evil. Is this not Aaron? Oh my goodness. What is he doing here?
Daddy's not here! Daddy's not here!
Hey! What is he looking for here? Oh my God, my eyes will not see evil. Aaron!
Think I see you for here again. Yeah? Try stubborn place man this one. Like say na me and you dey employ for this place. Yeah? Ah, I should dey crazy shop when you join.
Come here, come here. Come and stand here and be looking at me. Let me tell you something. Any day I see that man in this vicinity, talk less of this gate. Just know that from that day onwards, you don't have a job anymore. Do you understand me?
Yes, madam. Madam, but not my fault too. Eh? No. Be the man they call you every time they ask me for a daughter. I say give me a daughter keep for him. Eh? Not my fault. But madam, no vex so. In daughter to true day here.
Are you mad? Are you sick?
No, madam.
In fact, I'll tell my fiancé to sack you.
Hey!
Let me see that man again in this environment. Then you will understand. You think I'm playing, Abby? Let me see him. Nonsense.
Hey! This small work, why I just see the manage for here again? Yeah? In fact, if I see that crazy man for this compound again, inside me and him, one person go travel, you know, come back. God will soon punish him. Plus, I see the crazy shop will enjoy him. Make you no worry, Sha. Make you no worry.
My love, the doctor say you'll be fine. Just out. It shuts out my heart because of what those mean monsters did to you. My love, my baby, please be safe for daddy.
My love. Are you okay?
Yes, my love. I'm here. I will always love you. Regardless of what happened. My love will never change for you. I'm my child. It's okay, my love. It's okay. You're fine.
Baby. Baby, are you okay?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Not just some
Thank you. Aaron.
Baby. What is it? What's wrong with you? Are you okay? Aaron, what's wrong? Baby, please don't do this to me. Baby, please don't do this. Baby, please. Baby, please. Come back! Aaron, come!
I thought you were lost forever, Aaron, my love. But here you are, out from nowhere, still alive. He even still remembers I was pregnant with his child. God, how did he find this place? Didn't they say that blood is thicker than water? I think he knows that he has a child. And now, he wants to come and ruin my present happiness. Now that I am deeply in love with OT? No. No, Aaron. I will not let you take away this joy from me. I suffered so much after you ran mad. OT is now my only hope of being happy again. And I will not let you destroy that. You will have to disappear.
Baby. Baby, how far now? Look, baby, I know. I know I've not seen you since you got back. It's not my fault. You know how tasking this work can be. Look, I've been carrying out series of assignments for my boss. Even right now as we speak, I'm heading out to execute one. It's not my fault now. You know I miss you too. Okay, look, fine. I promise you, okay, this weekend I will see you. I promise. Stop now. Okay, look, I have to go now. I'll call you later. All right, bye. I love you.
What you do here now? Just now, why make I go carry the thing go through it? Now you don't vanish, enter here, they swear for you. What you find?
Where is my daughter? I saw my daughter enter this compound the other day. Produce my daughter, else I go nowhere.
Easy. Wait. See, if you no come up for this compound now when you still there alive, I swear with my own life, that's your dead body will carry come out. You don't hear me? Oh, I dey talk, you see, sit down. You balance like big madman when you be, abi.
Don't touch my bag, oh.
Don't touch my bag, oh! Don't touch
this house.
You want to steal my property? You want to steal my property, oh! You want to steal my property, oh!
What's that madman?
Why are you making noise and disturbing the whole neighborhood? And who is this man?
You the crazy. Now who can call you for this matter now? Eh? They swear for you too. You don't know your meat? Common, ordinary, nonsense house girl where they carry come here. You want to talk to me anyhow?
Are you mad? Are you mad? How dare you speak to me like that with your smelly mouth? See your face, dark charcoal looking idiot, your black face like dark devil. Don't you dare speak to me like that.
Easy man. See this one oh. You where mother just carry come that day for here. Carry you come from village. Say me just come dey do house girl work for here. So if he says you want come get authority to talk to city boy like me. Eh? See, make I just tell you. You just carry this your house girl body. They go that kitchen.
Are you mad? How dare you speak to me like that with your smelly mouth? See your black face like dark demon. Don't you dare talk to me like that.
Easy man.
Power! You dey show yourself. Do you know who I am? Do you have the slightest idea who I am?
Who are you? My daughter. Yes, you're my daughter. Ah. When you were conceived, what you grow inside your mother's womb. I felt your tiny kicks. I felt your small leg was kicking her stomach. I felt it. I wasn't there to see you grow up, to see you walk. Hear your first words. I was not there. But I'm there now. I'm here now. Here. And I'll take care of you.
Yeah, I talk am. Hey, I talk am. Say, snake no fit born fowl. You no get how snake dey born fowl now. This madman, I sure say no wetin dey talk. You been pikin true. You been pikin. Because no only I go fit make you just waka come out. Come here, come dey talk to me like mad woman. Mad woman.
Shut up! You don't know what you're saying. Who is his daughter? I'm not his daughter. I don't know him. Better watch your mouth. I can see you're out of your senses. Idiot.
My brother, I beg. No verse I dey shout for you since so. I beg. You do make on the go. You can go before my oga or madam go come out for here. Because if they see you for here, they will sack me. You go see your daughter for outside or for main road. She know they here. You hear? Carry your fine bag, This your fine bag. Hola. Carry am here. My friend, my man. A better Christmas you be. Like all the go here. My guy you be. Yeah? Thank you. No verse.
I'll go back. I'll be back.
You come back? No wahala. Anytime you want come, you come. No wahala. But now, come the go here. Better person. Bye, yeah? Safe journey, you. Nonsense. No be only to come back. Make I don't see anything wey resemble you for this house, for this compound. I go tell you say me, Edosa, na correct Bini boy I be. I go show you wetin make me be Bini boy. Omo to me here ya. Wezua, uzaga.
I know you. You're my daughter. Yes, you're my daughter.
Hello, Amanda. Babe, honestly, I don't even know if I'm fine or not.
Okay, so how are you coping with your new position in your mom's house?
Your position. As if it's noble. Stop it, it's not funny. The worst part of it all is that annoying it man addresses me as the house girl.
Ah, that's not nice. But is that why you feel downcast, even over the phone and now?
That and so many other things. Look, a madman came to the house the other day and claimed that he's my father.
A madman?
Yes. And the strange part of it all is that he sounded so real. I don't know, like he knew exactly what he was saying. He was so convincing.
Audrey, are you going to believe the words of a madman?
Look, right now I don't even know. I don't know what to believe. What's going on with my life?
Haven't your mom told you anything about your dad?
Yes, she did. She one time told me that my dad died of car crash so many years ago before I was born.
Then there is nothing to be confused about. Your dad is dead and buried, so?
No, that's the point. There was no burial, there's no picture, there's no grave. Isn't that fishy?
Audrey? 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 Baby, are you okay? What's the problem? I've been calling you, you didn't even hear me.
Mom,
Yes?
who really is my father?
My darling, we have talked about this before now. And I told you that he died in a car crash.
Okay, then where was he buried?
Audrey, there was nothing to bury. It was a terrible accident. And he was completely crushed.
Completely crushed?
Yes.
Mom, you should have at least gathered some of his remains, even if it's just a bone to bury. Then I can point somewhere and say, oh, that's my father's grave.
I'm sorry, my darling, but I was heavily pregnant with you. I couldn't even go to the scene of the accident.
Anyway, a madman was here and he claimed I'm his daughter.
A madman?
Yes.
A madman? Audrey, why would you want to believe a madman over your own mother? Wait a minute. You think I'm lying to you about your dad? Oh my goodness. Audrey, you think I'm actually lying to you over your father?
Mom, no. Please don't cry. You know I don't like seeing you like this.
You will believe a madman over your own mom?
No, Mom, please don't. Okay, I'm sorry.
It's fine. It's fine.
Mom.
Oh, it's okay.
Okay, I'm sorry. I promise I won't bring it up again. I'm sorry.
It's okay.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah, good morning. Where's your madam?
Oh, she stepped out.
She stepped out?
Yes, but she said I should serve your breakfast.
Yes. That's nice. That's nice.
Can I?
Hmm?
Your breakfast.
Oh, breakfast? No. Let's talk first. Let's just have a seat. Let's have a quick chat.
She sit?
Yes, please.
I'm okay here, sir.
Please sit down now. How are you doing like this?
No, sir.
Please.
I'm fine here.
Now. Which one is no sir again? See, you're smiling. You're smiling. This
No.
girl. Sit down.
Okay, sir.
Mm-hmm. See, you're beautiful. Ever since you came into this house, I haven't been able to focus. I haven't been myself. I'm being honest with you. Like, I think about you all the time. I don't know if this is right or wrong.
It's wrong.
How is it wrong? Why would you say that?
You're engaged to my madam.
Your madam? But I'm not married to your madam. See, that's the difference. I'm engaged, but I'm not married to her. Yeah? I have strong feelings for you.
No, you shouldn't. I have a boyfriend.
You have a boyfriend?
Yes, sir.
I don't expect a girl like you not to have a boyfriend. I mean, if you don't have a boyfriend, all the boys out there are blind. But I'm a man. There's a difference. When a man touches you, he touches you with experience. Exactly. That you say it plenty times. Let me go to war. See me don't they say they are too. Our nation. See you when I get back, yeah?
Okay, sir.
Please go back to your cleaning now.
Okay, sir.
Yes. What is this? Is this even... Oh, okay. Please help me pick this. Thank you. All right, so I'll be going to work now, huh?
Okay. God. What kind of temptation is this?
Hello, sir. How are you?
Madam.
You're
I
enjoying
didn't find
yourself.
you. It's a good now, madam. I just dey enjoy my local music now. Everything work with me. Madam.
Yeah, I want to ask you a question.
Eh,
That madman,
that crazy person.
yes,
That idiot, really.
the man that usually comes here, do you know his house? Where he comes from?
Madam, now wetin come concern me a madman now? I want to know where mad person dey stay.
Okay.
I be crazy people dey get house. I don't know where madman is staying now, madam.
It's okay. Don't bother. It's fine.
Madam. But madam.
Yes.
No vex o. Abeg no vex o. This one wey you dey look for the madman. Abi na you been picking? I can't do now, Say this question was asked na bad thing.
Babe. I'm trying to sleep. Honestly, I need this rest. We just
This
rest.
is not fair now. You've been doing this for like 2 months now. This is not fair.
Babe, honestly, I don't know if you can see from my vantage point, but from my perspective, it's not fair that you're stopping me from resting so I can go and hustle and so we can live in this type of house, so we can wear that ring.
Right
So,
now.
it's not fair that you're doing this. It's selfish.
all this while?
Because I work now, and I work because I rest. Babe, I need to rest. I'm stressed right now.
Why have you been doing what you're meant to do? Why are you now being difficult?
Okay, babe, do you know what?
No.
I promise you
Okay.
that when
Yes.
I'm done with you,
Yes.
we'll need mop to mop the floor, and the mattress will sell it. But that will be another day, because right now I need to rest. All right.
Uchi, why are you doing this? You're not being fair right now.
I'm listening, but if you hear me snoring, just ignore me. Keep talking. I'm listening.
Okay, fine. Even if you don't want to do anything, can you just at least turn this way? Baby? Baby, are you really falling asleep right now? Oh my goodness.
Oh my God.
Hello, my dear.
Wow.
I'm going out, okay? Please take very good care of this house.
Okay, ma.
All right?
Okay.
See you.
See ya. Bye.
Bye, dear.
Hello? She just left. Okay.
You said you want to eat first before you take your bath?
Yes. That would be preferable.
Let me just drop this upstairs, all right?
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah. Audrey,
Yes, ma.
please set the table.
Okay, ma.
I'll be down in a bit.
All right.
Mean the world to me. Like, you're driving me crazy, honestly. Like, I don't even know what to do without you.
Oh, please. You're only saying this so that you keep having your way with me.
No, God forbid.
Did you say God?
God forbid that I'm lying to you. Everything I'm telling you is straight facts. Yes.
You sure? Oh,
Baby?
Where are you going?
Babe!
Baby, please, come help me sort this out before you eat.
I should come up.
Yes, please.
Just give. I'm coming now.
All right.
Okay. Okay. Hey, what do you want me to help you with?
Hey, what are you doing?
Sleep. All I could think about was you. I had to come see you.
What? Why are you doing this? Wait.
What?
Doesn't she get suspicious anytime you're sneaking her out of the room? I mean...
She's sleeping, okay? She sleeps around this time. And it's my house. I'm the king of the house.
Okay.
You think I'm sneaking in here? I'm walking how I want to walk. Shout to...
Don't get me into trouble.
Darling,
Hello, beautiful.
you've been on this system for so long. Aren't you tired? This is weekend. You should be resting.
Yeah, I'm just replying some emails,
All right.
Yeah, too long.
No problem. Your phone is vibrating. Morris.
Oh, okay. Morris, hello. Have they signed theirs? Why are they insisting on that, though? All right, just bring it to the house, yeah? I'll sign it. Yeah, bring it now. I'll sign it. All right.
I hope they are not calling you to come work. I need my husband around me this weekend.
No, he's just bringing something. It's a sign and then he'll leave.
All right. Okay. Audrey? Audrey! Audrey! Audrey, please go buy me that painkiller you bought for me the other day. All right. Thank you.
Good morning, boss.
Hey,
Morning.
Hi, Morris.
good
How are
day,
you?
good day. Have a seat, bro.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Okay. So why are they insisting that I sign it today? I don't understand.
Well, boss, according to the manager, right? So he said that he needs to mail it to the headquarters so it can be approved by Monday.
All right.
Well, and if you ask me, I think it's a good thing, the earlier the better. Okay. Yes, sir.
You like money, Morris. So the earlier the better.
Yeah, that's
I hope you're saving all this money you'll get soon.
I'm sorry. I hope to be like this.
Don't apologize, so if you get broke, don't come to me. I'm not doing anything. All right.
How can I go broke when I have
Where's
something?
the other one? The other one is right here.
Morris,
Audrey.
what are you doing here?
He's my boss. You what? No way. Wait, is she your...
Madam. Yes, my madam.
Come on. What's going on here? What happened earlier today? How did Morris of all people get to know my daughter? God. And he nearly blew my cover. So this is how that boy would have ruined everything I have labored for this past 1 year plus. Thank God for my smart girl. I have to take care of the situation for my secret to be safe.
Don't worry, okay? Everything will fall in place. You don't understand, Mandy. First, my mom compelled me to be a maid in her home so that her fiancé can marry her. Then, the fiancé turns around and falls in love with me. Now I'm in a relationship with him, and not only am I dating my mom's fiancé, I'm doing it right under her nose. Let's not forget the boyfriend. You know, I have a boyfriend, one who almost blew my mom's cover.
What do you mean blew your mom's cover?
Morris came to the house yesterday.
Why will you invite him over?
I didn't invite him. Okay, my mom sent me on an errand to buy her some drugs in the pharmacy. By the time I go back to the house, guess who I saw in the living room? Morris, Oti, and my mom. You know, I didn't even know that Maurice works for my mom's fiancé as his PA. And you know that he knows that I am pretending to be my mom's maid. Exactly.
That is a risky coincidence.
Now you know how I feel. What do I do?
So what's going to happen now?
I don't know. I really don't know right now. I can't even think. I don't know. I'm just so confused.
Don't worry. Though complicated, but everything will be fine. Okay?
I hope so. I hope so.
Don't worry, everything will just take its place. Okay?
Hey. Okay. You need to talk to me, okay? Because I don't like the energy you're giving me right now, okay? It's not giving. I don't like the energy. I need it to be.
I'm not comfortable here anymore.
How do you mean? Did something happen?
Look, if you want us to continue being in this relationship, then you have to find me my own apartment, okay? I can't keep being your maid and be your girlfriend at the same time. I mean, look, the math is not mathing. It doesn't add up. So it's either you get me my own place or I'll quit.
Is that why you're removing your hand from my hand? You don't reach like that. Are you serious right now?
No, nothing.
So it's the house. That's what you need. You need accommodation. That's what the issue is. That's what's making you sad.
Yes. I need my own space. I mean, I can't keep living in fear that my madam can just walk in here any moment and catch us together. I don't want that. It's risky. I want my own place. I'm scared.
All right, put your hand back there. Put it back there first.
Also, my birthday is in 2 weeks. I don't want to spend my birthday knowing that my man is not proud of me.
What? First of all, never remove your hand from my hand. Never disconnect from me. What we have is special. Okay? I'm going to get you a house. I was thinking of like a penthouse, you know? Like a penthouse at the top of the building, but like I think a house, an actual house is what you deserve.
Are you serious?
Do you get me? So I'll relocate you to one of my houses in town.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, babe, like, are you shocked? I'm shocked that you're shocked because, like, you don't know how much I love you. I love you so much, babe. Honestly, like, you mean the world to me.
Really?
I'll do anything. Like, listen. On your birthday, I'll move you into that house. Yeah. So never. Just what I expected when I walked into the room, like, you know. Forget that.
When I move into my own place, we won't have to be whispering.
Forget that. Go ahead. So how are you going to thank me?
I wanted to show you.
Well, not like this, not like this. Face like that. Look at the wall.
I'll do what?
Just look at, just turn him.
Good morning, sir.
Maurice, you've stayed away from work without my permission. What's that about?
Well, I've not been in the right frame of mind.
It does appear that we're dating the same girl.
With all due respect, sir, she's my girlfriend. You have your own woman. Why are you dragging this one with me? Ever since I discovered, I've not really been happy with you, sir.
How long have you known her?
Well, how long I've known her shouldn't matter to you. I believe what you need to do for the sake of peace is to stay away from her. I mean, just focus on your own woman. I don't know why you're so bent on taking Audrey away from me. But sir, I just want you to know one thing. You cannot take Audrey away from me. Money or not. You can't.
Darling, good morning.
Yeah.
We need to talk. Please, have your seat. I wanted you to sit down. I mean...
What do you think I'm about to do? Huh? What do you think I came here to do? I came here to dance?
No.
So why are you telling... Are you commanding me?
No, not at all. I'm sorry.
It's okay.
Okay.
Oh my God! You said you want to talk like 5 times and you're still not talking.
I was just waiting for you to settle in.
Settle in how?
Okay, fine. I'm sorry. Darling, I don't know what's going on between us. You're so distant. I don't know if I did anything wrong. Last night, I tried reaching out to touch you. You rebuffed me like you've always done in the last few days. I don't know if there's something I have done wrong.
Yeah, I've not done anything wrong.
Okay,
and
fine.
I don't understand why you're attacking me and being so aggressive and asking me all these questions. Why are you interrogating me? And why are you being so aggressive? I just came here to eat food and you're being aggressive and now this is in my home. I expect peace.
Yes.
I do not have peace here. I'm here to eat food.
Darling, I'm giving you peace. I'm not being aggressive.
What is the problem? What is the issue? You still haven't said what the issue is. I don't understand. Are you saying what? Like, because I'm happy with everything, no. I swear. I am happy with everything. I am happy and I'm not in a bad mood. I'm good. You're good. So what is the issue? We're both happy.
No, darling, I'm not happy.
Why are you not happy?
Something is wrong.
With what?
We're worlds apart. Look at you. Why are you raising your voice? We're not quarreling. I'm just trying for us to be on the same page. We're happy. You can't even come close to me. You don't touch me. If I come close to you, you're angry.
Listen.
Okay.
This is about sex?
No.
Because if it's about sex, I can't, like, if we haven't had sex in the last month, it's to build anticipation for the next time. Do you understand?
No, darling.
Because the more you stay away from me, the better it is.
No.
So I'm doing this for both of us. So that's why you're not happy.
No, it's not really about sex.
So what is it about?
We are losing us. There's no closeness. We don't have that. Oh my goodness.
Leaving. And you cannot take away my happiness this morning.
I'm not trying to take away your happiness. I will just say that in the last...
I am still happy. I am happy. I know that makes you happy. I'm so happy right now. It's your nonsense.
Leave me! Come for this gate! I don't see your daughter! Leave me now!
Hey! Who are you? Hold this man. How did you get into my house? What are you looking for?
I saw my daughter enter this compound a few days ago. Are you doing out this house?
What kind of nonsense question? Get this person out of here! Are you mad?
Leave me!
You're mad, Seth.
I don't want to see my daughter.
How do you let this person enter here? I'm going somewhere I don't want to be.
Why did they tell you that I came here to look for my daughter?
My friend, get out! Get this man out of my house!
Yeah.
Leave me and go.
Oh, yeah, they go. Oh, I can't go.
Hey! May this guy don't give me rabies, so. Go! And if you come back here, you'll see this idiot. Don't you ever come. If you come back here again, you go missing for life.
If I see you here again,
Idiot.
what I go do you, eh? Amaga.
You're very stupid.
Aga me.
You're a very stupid human being. You and I'm there outside and I'll go kill him. Nonsense.
Oga.
See, eh?
Oga.
Open gate.
Okay, if you keep me here, the man go come, oh.
Hi.
Eh? The man go come here, oh. He just a nobody.
You're lucky.
I want kill and just
Shut up!
How am I kill him?
In short,
Hey.
you'll be fired. You will even sleep outside, you'll be fired.
He just a nobody.
Nonsense.
Okay, I swear to God, if I see this man, if I carry him like this, if I can, I go through him. I go from here to him. I swear. Move it, sorry.
If I smell this thing on you again. If
you come here again, if I see you for this compound again.
Open the gate.
Yes, sir.
A madman in my house. Who could be his daughter? Could it be Alice? or Audrey? Definitely can't be Alice. I mean, she's not young enough to be his daughter. So it's Audrey. Then how? I mean, he sounded very coherent and spoke as if he wasn't crazy. You know, he spoke like he knew what he was talking about. That's so strange. But how can a madman just walk into my compound and ask for his daughter, speaking with so much confidence and clarity in his voice? This is ridiculous.
Wait, no. I'm not coming to take anything from you. It's nice to see you. I see you're relaxing. Seems very comfortable. Enough, right? But I totally understand that you're angry. I can relate as much as possible. Just let's have a conversation, please. Just join me in my car. Let's go somewhere and talk, okay? No?
I'm camping here till I see my daughter.
Your daughter? Oh, okay. I don't know who your daughter is, honestly. I didn't even know like that you had a daughter, you know. But let's have a conversation. I know I can help you. Okay, I'm not here to hurt you or take your beautiful bag. You know, I just want to have a conversation with you, please. Trust me, okay? Let's go to my car. We'll drive over to some place and have a conversation, an honest conversation. Yeah, we can.
Listen, you have to stop everything you have going on with him. I mean, how can you even be going out with your mom's fiancé and you're not even remorseful about it?
So why are you this much concerned about me all of a sudden? Why? Is this because of him?
Gosh. Look, Audrey, you're my girlfriend. And yes, I am concerned about you because I love you.
You do? You do? So tell me, how many times did you make any attempt to call me, to check up on me, to know how I am doing since I came back from school? Despite the fact I've been calling you. How many times?
Look, I've been busy. And he has been the one keeping me so busy. And you know this.
Okay. I should congratulate you for finally finding the time to come and monitor my life, right?
You listen to me and listen real good. I am not sharing you. Talk less of losing you to him. So it is either you stop everything you have going on with him, or your mom gets to find out about everything. The choice is yours. And I hope you choose wisely.
What are you doing here? Huh? Because last time I checked, you disrespected me in my own office and you walked out of your job. I haven't been back to work since. So what do you want?
With all due respect, sir, I have come to warn you to leave my girl alone. You know, I'm just wondering, what would your wife really do if she gets to find out that you have been sleeping with her maid?
So this is what you do now? You go around blackmailing people and not even for money. For a girl, that's pathetic, honestly.
I love Audrey. And I can be really dangerous because of her. So, call me a blackmailer. I don't really care. I just want you to know one thing, sir. That this table has just one leg. And if you shake it, everything will shatter before your own very eyes. Don't say I didn't warn you.
Kiss it. Thank you for coming. I am not going to waste any of your time, all right? I'll just go straight to the point. Please, I need you to discontinue your relationship with my daughter.
Interesting. Now I know that you've been the one pressuring her to leave me for him.
Leave you for who?
Well, I know you don't know, so I'll tell you this for free. Somebody else has been trying to take her away from me. But I won't let him succeed. So stop pressuring her to leave me. Else your fiancé gets to find out that she's your daughter and not your maid.
What if I pay you?
You can't pay me. So leave my relationship alone and fight for yours. You know this stable has just one leg, right? So don't shake it. Because I can do anything for my Audrey. And when I say anything, I mean anything. Have a nice day.
May I? Darling.
So you said something?
No, I wanted to share a thought with you. I think there's something wrong with us. We're losing us. You don't seem to be the same man that I fell in love with. It's looking like I'm losing you, and honestly, this is really hurting me.
Okay, you're not losing me. Okay, it's not. I mean, I'm still the same man you fell in love with. That much is obvious, you know. I mean, the affection is still the same. Nothing has gone down. I'm sure you can feel the affection now, surface. It's just that sometimes, I have to be honest with you, Sha, like, you think about the past, you know, and like, you know, person that, the woman, my wife that passed away, you know, and how she passed away, given that I loved her so much, you know. I mean, after I lost, I said I wouldn't be with anybody else ever again. Like, I made that promise, I made that vow to myself, you know, until I met you. You know? So everything is, you know, but I don't know if you've ever felt like that, you know, if you've ever had that feeling.
What kind of feeling is that?
Like when you love someone so much and like you're in a serious relationship and then you lose them and the jarring effect it has, you know, and this is somebody that when you see them, you're excited in every way, like physically, emotionally, even sexually, you know, just like, you know, like, it's just, I don't know if you've ever felt that.
Listen to me, darling. I don't want you to allow your late wife's memories. I don't want you to let that put you down. Okay?
Yeah.
I'm here now. And I'm going to make sure to fill up that vacuum. All right? It's just for us to go through with our wedding plans. Yeah. Once we get married and then we're settled, we'll just build our home together.
Yeah, no.
Audrey,
Mom,
how much of our family's secret did you spill to that silly boyfriend of yours?
nothing more than that I'm your daughter, Ma.
Why would you tell him such an intimate thing when you know how delicate this secret is to us?
But Mom, he's my boyfriend. Isn't he supposed to know about my mother?
Now he's threatening to go tell Oti that you're my daughter if you stop dating him.
He should go ahead. Yes, ma. If you ask me, he should just tell him the truth. Let everybody just know the truth. I'm tired. If you're not tired of this game of pretense, I am.
Will you shut up? Shut up your mouth. Do you know what I have been through? What is your problem? Do you know how much time, emotion, commitment that I put into building this thing that you seek to destroy? Audrey, I'm asking you. Do you know all I invested to raise you into this beautiful woman that you are now? I have been through pain. I have been through sorrow. I've been through anguish. You think I want to go back to that kind of life again? Do you? Audrey, who is this man that he says you want to leave him for?
Eh? What? Yeah?
You heard me.
You don't know him. Besides, he's not in town at the moment.
When he returns to town, I would like to meet him. Audrey, honestly, if you send me back to a life of poverty again, I will never forgive you. Let me just tell you now, I won't forgive you.
I know you're torn, Brandon. I totally get it. I know how you feel. You're torn between two guys. But I have to plead my case, okay? I love you. I truly do. I love everything about you, and I love you with all of me. It's different. It hits different when you love someone with all of you. I love you with all of me, babe. Honestly, babe. And when we do it, it's different. Because with each thrust, it's like I'm going to heaven. It's like the definition of climax. I swear, babe, you're number one, and this is a lifelong feeling.
And you expect me to believe that when you're engaged to be married to my madam?
How would you say that now? Tell me about yourself. Tell me about yourself.
Huh?
Yeah, tell me about yourself.
There's really nothing to know. I mean, you know my name already, and you know that I'm from the same village with your wife-to-be.
Yeah, I know your name. That's not enough information, you know. I want to know about your parents, your siblings, you know, your family in general. Just basic stuff.
I don't have any sibling. I am the only child of my parents, and my dad died before I was born.
Rest in peace to the deceased. What about your mom, though? Is she still alive? Where is she?
My mom?
Yes.
She's... Sure, she's very alive for me.
Oh, okay.
She's in the village.
Oh.
Yes.
Okay.
She's into petty trade.
Oh, okay. That's interesting.
Yes.
I'd like to see her.
You do?
Yeah, I would like to meet her. You know, because we're taking things serious now. Do you get me? So, like, I would like to see her.
My mom?
Yes.
Sure, you can meet her, but not right now. I mean, she's not in the country. She is in the country, of course, obviously, because she's in the village.
Yeah, you mentioned it.
Yes, but not in our village.
Yeah. But white people call village country, sure.
Okay.
So maybe...
You get me. She went to visit my aunt in the neighboring village. You know, my aunt is married to someone else in the next village. So my mom, she went there to spend some time with her because she's always alone. But whenever she decides to come back, I'll let you know. I'm too busy now.
Okay. Too busy weaving between villages. Totally understand. And you know transport. I don't know how she deals with transportation. You know?
Okay. I don't know too.
Yeah, it can't be planes. It's like road, you know, so it's to take time.
You will meet her. It's okay.
Yeah.
I'll talk to her.
Okay.
I strongly believe everything will be fine.
What is it? Please stop calling me. Don't call this number again. You hear me? Stupid.
Oh, was that necessary?
Yes, it's necessary. Can you believe that this guy threatened me? That if I ever leave him, he's going to tell my mom about Oti and I. Not just that, he also went to my mom, threatened that he's going to let Uti know that I'm her child. What kind of a man threatens his own girlfriend just to keep her?
He's really going about it the wrong way.
Exactly.
So what are you going to do?
I don't know.
So what about your mom and Oti?
That's my headache right now. Because Oti wants to meet my mom. He wants to meet my mom. How do I tell him that my mom is his fiancée? How? What have I gotten myself involved with? Why did I even start this silly game in the first place? This is messy. My mom is going to be so disappointed in me.
Very messy. Don't worry. You know, sometimes life plays a very fast one on us. But very soon we'll get to understand why.
Understand what?
Don't
My
worry.
mom will be so disappointed in me.
Everything will be fine.
Oh, God. Is that okay?
But this is messy though.
Jesus.
Hello, dear.
What's up?
Please, did you send Audrey to any place?
No.
You didn't send her on any errand.
Yeah, what's the problem?
I have looked for her everywhere in this house. I've checked the whole compound. She's not there.
Yeah, maybe she went out now. Just try her phone. Have you called her phone?
Why would she go anywhere without telling me where she has been to? I've checked her bedroom. I've checked everywhere. She's not there. I just said to come and find out whether you sent her anywhere.
No, I didn't send her anywhere. Let me call her. No, I didn't send her anywhere. I know what's not going through. Wait, what's going on?
I don't understand.
Maybe have you checked her room?
I've checked her bedroom. I've checked like toilet everywhere. She's not there. Why would she do this? I didn't do anything to her and I didn't offend her.
Please, let me...
Let's go. Audrey! Audrey! Oh my goodness. Everything is gone. Everything is gone. Where did she go to?
Let's check. Let's
Audrey!
Edosa! Yes, Edosa! Are you okay? What's wrong with you? Why are you saying Sasasama? What are you doing in there? Huh? I told you to stop doing that thing. Have you seen Audrey?
I've never seen her.
What do you mean you haven't seen her? Your job is to secure the area. You're the security man. And you haven't seen her. So you were securing the area, you were here. Huh?
But the thing you see, I've never seen her Chuchu. I've never seen her. But this morning, I said they come out from backyard. Why I've been go check for this one. So, the whole CC gate why I've been locked. Just the open. So, maybe that she come off for that time. But I don't know, Shao. I don't know, Shao.
My goodness. Why would she do this? I didn't do anything to her now.
Okay, everything is going to be okay. Okay? I mean, everything's going to be okay. Don't worry about it. I'll drive around the neighborhood and see if she's around or something. Maybe she's taking a walk. You know, that's a possibility.
Okay.
You know, so don't worry about it.
All right.
Okay?
Madam.
Yes?
She the lost.
You're just a fool.
The only one law says you. You. And stop that thing! So, I'm so sorry about this.
Ah.
Ye? Hey.
You find her?
Unfortunately, no. All the efforts weren't successful. I didn't find her. But did you guys have an argument before she left? Like, did you guys have a verbal fight or something?
Not at all. No quarrel, no fight. She just vanished into thin air.
I'm kind of curious. I have to ask this. Why are you so worried, though? Like, why are you so upset that she's missing?
Darling, why would you be asking this kind of question? She's somebody's daughter.
Yeah, that's actually a great point. She's somebody's daughter, you know. Have you called her mother? to inform her, what's going on. Maybe she went back to the village to see her mother. That's a huge possibility, you know?
No, the mother doesn't have a phone, I remember. I would have called her.
Yeah.
She doesn't have a phone.
Mm-hmm. Is there anything you want to tell me you think you should tell me?
Something I should tell you.
Yeah. Anything at all you'd like to bring to my attention?
Oh my goodness, darling, you think I'm responsible for her disappearance?
No, that's not what I'm saying, babe. Okay, you know what? We'll just wait till the end of today. If there's no developments, tomorrow we have to go to the village. Because, it's also a big possibility that she could be there.
Yes.
With her mom and her people,
Absolutely.
Yeah, so unfortunately, we haven't seen her right now. We have to report her to the police as a missing person. This is what we have to do. It's a responsible thing to do. We're adults, we have to handle it.
Yes, absolutely.
Yeah, that way.
Okay.
Since there's nothing else to talk about, I'll just go upstairs.
Oh, right. You're correct.
Okay.
Where will this girl be now? It's been 24 hours. And there's no news of her disappearance. I don't even know what I'm supposed to do now.
I have a confession to make.
A confession?
Yeah. I've been having an affair with Audrey. And this is not something that is good, obviously, and I'm sorry about this. It's not something that I set out to do, because that's not in my character to do, but it's something that I feel like it's not right to keep to myself anymore. And I hate seeing you like this. I'm so sorry. It's just that I had to tell you.
Hold it. You've been having an affair with Audrey. Though, like, you've been cheating on me with my maid right under this roof.
There's no need to call her that anymore, I'm calling her the maid. I know she's your daughter. I know it doesn't make you better.
Who told you that? Who told you? Oh my goodness. Audrey? Is that not Aaron? Aaron? When did you become this transformed?
It is him. Man, I know he's your husband. You guess what? The salad is good for you. Okay. This is where you'll be staying. It's a service apartment, more like a hotel. So yeah. Hope you like it. It has towels as well. I thought you might be hungry, I don't know exactly what you've been eating, So this is actually some balanced diet,
You're welcome. Please. Yeah. Courtesy demands that I say what I'm about to say to you. I apologize for how I treated you earlier at my place. You know, I mean, it's not in my nature, it's not in my character to disrespect people, especially, you know, people in your kind of situation. Um, for that, I'm 100% sorry and I apologize. And now I'm ready to listen to you.
I'm very, very, very excited that somebody wants to listen to me. Nobody has wanted to listen or give me a chance to explain myself. Well, firstly, I want to say thank you. Thank you for cleaning me up, for taking care of me.
It's God.
I'm very grateful. In about 20 years, this is the best I've felt.
First of all, it's God first, thank God for everything. But are you really mad? I'm sorry, I know that came out somehow, but you sound pretty sane and actually intelligent for someone that was so dirty and roaming the streets a while ago. I'm sorry if that came out somehow. I'm not trying to disrespect you or anything. I'm just curious.
It's okay. I'm not offended. I was mad, but I felt my sanity coming back to me the day I saw my wife and my daughter enter your compound.
Your wife? Okay, I'm just curious over here. These are questions that are running through my mind, how did you lose your mind? Like, how did it happen? How did you end up losing your mind?
My wife was the reason I lost my mind.
Your wife? What, did she use voodoo or charms, or was she, what?
No. She's not that sort of woman at all.
Okay.
She's a very, very, very good woman.
Ooh.
Very good woman.
Yeah. I mean, you mentioned a second ago that she's the reason you lost your mind. How did that happen?
"20 years ago, we were in Enugu. Living together, we were very happy. We were so in love. One day, armed robbers ambushed our home.
No! Stop! That's my wife! Stop!
I felt excruciating pain. Just knowing that I couldn't help her. I watched as four men raped her. That was when I felt my sanity leaving me.
I'm so sorry about this. I mean, sorry, you said they didn't stop even after she fainted? She passed out and they were still doing what they were doing to her? To a pregnant woman that was unconscious?
They didn't stop till each of them had their turn with her.
I'm so sorry to hear about all of this, and you're an incredibly strong man. So what What happened afterwards?
After that, I somehow took her to the hospital, and we got back home, and I couldn't stop seeing it. I couldn't stop hearing it.
Yeah.
The trauma and the sorrow, I could feel it deep inside of me, and it didn't stop. The last thing I remember was I just left the house.
And you never returned to that house after you left?
The next time that I saw Alice was when I saw her with my daughter. I was just so happy that she had the baby. I don't know, something just happened and my eyes opened. It's like my mind was now free.
I mean, first of all, I salute your resilience. You know, in life, you've been through a lot. And frankly, it's a sad story, you know, and I definitely feel your pain 100%, and I respect your resilience to bounce back. But I truly feel your pain.
I wasn't there to take care of them. I wasn't there to be a good husband, to be a good father. But I'm back now, and I want to take care of them. I want to take care of my wife. I want to take care of my child. I want to be a husband. I want to be a father.
Well, sorry for everything you've been through. Yeah. You can stay here for about a month. I paid for 30 days. So at least you can find your feet. Yeah. You know. Everything will be fine.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Listen, really sorry. You know, it was never my intention to hurt you or to disrespect you or to do anything that would make you feel pain. That's not who I am. You know this, you know, but I got attracted to Audrey and I couldn't help myself. I'm so sorry about this.
It's fine. It's okay. I cannot actually blame you entirely. I should have actually told you the truth. Maybe if I had told you the truth, that she's my daughter. If you knew she's my daughter, I'm sure things would have played out differently. I'm sorry. Audrey, I'm sorry. I'm sorry that I lied. I was desperate. I desperately wanted to be with Oti. I didn't want to lose him the way I lost your dad. I'm very, very sorry.
It's okay, Mom. I forgive you. You know I love you so much and I hate to see you cry. I honestly understand the reason for your actions. And I'm also sorry for my wrong. I didn't mean for any of this to happen. Can't even explain how it started. I'm so sorry, Mom. It was never planned. But I guess it's just fate reckoning for a reason.
I guess
Because
it's
if
just fate
all this hadn't happened, I probably wouldn't have met my dad or even get to know him and accept him.
Where are you? I've explained this 1,000 times. How is it difficult to get to these streets? I said once you come in through the gates, take your first turn by your right, you will see a street named Osika Street. Enter it. Or better still, just use the map.
My child.
Who are you calling your child?
You don't remember me?
No, I don't know you, sir.
I came to look for you the other day at Mr. Otis' house.
Wait, what? The madman? So you're not actually mad? You're pretending?
Well, I was mad, but you helped bring my sanity back.
What do you mean by I helped you regain your sanity?
When I told you that he died in a car crash,
Okay, then where was he buried?
there was nothing to bury.
Child. Yes, I'm your father. Fate brought you back to me. Today is the best day of my life. Yes, I know you have questions. And I'll try to answer all your questions. Just come with me, okay? Yes. So the day I saw you and your mother enter that compound, that was the day that my sanity was miraculously restored. It was almost like as soon as I saw you, everything just became clear.
Wait, you mean they didn't even pity her condition? They continued to gang rape a heavily pregnant woman. Why are some people so wicked and heartless with a dead conscience?
Your mother, she went through a lot, oh. But for me, it was a terrible experience. It was so traumatizing.
Why did my mom keep all this away from me? Don't I deserve to know what happened to my father?
Yes, you do. But I think your mother was just trying to protect you. She didn't mean any harm.
So how did you get transformed and cleaned up like this?
Mr. Oti,
Wait, you know Oti?
well, I saw him at the compound when I came to look for you the last time, and he initially told his gateman to chase me away, but I saw him on the road and he pleaded with me and he brought me to the hotel. And he promised to reunite me with you and your mother.
I'm so sorry for everything you've been through.
No. I'm the one that's sorry. And I'm sorry I wasn't there to be a father to you. You and your mother had to endure this cruel world on your own. But I'm here now.
So that was why I left the house. I mean, I couldn't stand having a clash with my mom over her fiancé. I know what I did was so wrong and I regret it.
It's okay. Everything happens for a reason.
But do you think mom will accept you? I mean, she's so hell-bent on marrying Oti because of his money.
Your mom, she's been through a lot. A whole lot. So I don't judge her at all. I'm just happy that I have you back.
Me too.
It's okay, my child. Please, stop crying.
And I would like to apologize for letting you worry about Audrey. You know, I mean, frankly, I was waiting for you to tell me the truth. But I found out earlier that she wasn't actually missing. And I didn't tell you, and for that, I'm sorry. Hey,
Sir.
yeah, no, yeah, hello.
I'm so sorry that I kept you waiting. I was in the bathroom.
No, that's not, that's actually,
Are you okay? You don't seem yourself.
okay, I honestly don't know how to break this to you, but I mean, I guess I just have to say it, right? Okay, we've been looking for your daughter. She's been missing. Not like I just wanted to update you, not that we won't find her. I'm just saying, like, we are still looking for her right now, but I just wanted to let you know what's going on. Sorry?
I know. Earlier I was taking a walk and I bumped into her. She and I had a very long conversation. She's currently upstairs sleeping in my room.
Oh, okay. Okay. If she called, it would have been, But yeah, no, it's great. Thank God. First of all, thank God for keeping her safe.
Yeah.
I mean, we were terribly worried actually, like especially her mother. Like she was super worried, but I guess she doesn't want. So I'll just keep it how it is right now. Right?
Mm.
Okay.
She's okay.
She's okay. So we are worried for nothing. Yeah. Okay. Well, I guess all of that happened, so this reunion could be possible. I mean, everybody's here, even Mars. So, Aaron, what plans do you have?
Firstly, I want to say thank you for your empathy and for your kindness. You're a good man. I'll be taking my family to Enugu with me. Back with me to Enugu to start afresh.
Okay, if that's what you choose to do, I'm going to support you with that. First of all, I'd like to apologize again for the mix-up with your family. It was not intentional at all. But I'll make sure you get accommodation. I'll provide accommodation for you over there, and whatever business you want to start, just let me know, and I'll fund it. Okay, I'll provide the money to kickstart the business. So just let me know, and I'll do my part. I can't buy your forgiveness. Okay, I know no amount of money can atone for all I did, but this is literally the least I could do.
Thank you.
I'm really sorry. Alice, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm really sorry. I didn't know she was your daughter. And even though that's the case, what I did was horrible. I hope you could find it in your heart to forgive me. It's something that.
It's fine. It's okay. I was equally in the wrong. I shouldn't have lied to you. I'm sure that if I had told you the truth, things would have played out differently. I'm very sorry. Audrey, please forgive Mommy. I'm very, very sorry. Please forgive me. Aaron, I'm truly very sorry. I'm sorry about everything. Please forgive me.
Boss, I'm sorry for my act of insubordination and disrespect. The thing is, I truly love Audrey, and I really want to marry her. I guess I couldn't stand the feeling of losing her. I know I went about it the wrong way, and I'm deeply sorry. Please forgive your boy. Ma, Audrey, I'm sorry for my actions and inactions. Audrey, I'm sorry for not being there for you when you needed me. I promise you that will never happen again. I genuinely love you and I care about you. Boss, please.
Hey. No. It's okay. Stand up. Please, sit down, okay? Just get up, okay? It's okay. I totally understand your situation now. Okay, you're forgiven, 100%, and you have your job back, okay? With back pay.
Thank you very much. I'm grateful.
I'm also sorry for everything. Oti, I'm grateful for everything you've done so far, for listening to my dad and offering to help us. We really appreciate. But I shouldn't have started anything with you in the first place, being that you were engaged to my mom. That was really wrong, and I'm not proud of myself for doing that. That was totally wrong, and I'm not proud of that. I don't know what came over me. I'm truly sorry, Mom, for disrespecting you. The truth is, I genuinely love my boyfriend, and I would love to work things out with him. But we can all be friends. I mean, you can be a family friend to us if that's okay with you.
That's perfectly okay. That's fine. Totally. Thank you.
And babe, I'm sorry for everything, and I forgive you. You can now officially meet my dad.
Sir, I'm really pleased to meet you. It's my pleasure. I didn't know that my prospective wife actually has a darling father.
I'm glad you said prospective wife, because I want to enjoy my daughter before you carry her away.
Of course. And boss, do we have your blessing?
100%. You have my blessing. That's both of you. It's 100%.
Thank you very much, sir.
You're welcome.